Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit your Telegram quiz. So let's get started. And I will also show you how to see the stats of your quiz. It's nothing but how to see the summary of your quiz. Before that, you get ready with the Telegram app open. Then you press this button, search box. In it you just type quizbot @quiz, or directly it can show up once if you use. Then press quizbot. Then we have come to here. Next step is just below you can see this button, slash button. You can just hit that. It will display some options like new quiz, quizzes, language. From this you have to select quizzes, because I want to edit one of my quizzes. Here I have got GK2 and GK2 quiz like this, which I have created in the before. From this I want to edit the first one. You just click on that view. You have to press view button here, any view button which you want to edit. Next thing is we have got a list of options. From that you can select edit quiz, which is displayed right here. Edit quiz. I want to edit the quiz. Then let me edit this quiz. Now I have got some more options like edit questions or edit title, edit description. Which one you want to edit? Whether you want to edit title or timer or shuffle. I want to edit question. So I would like to add new question. Just press add new question, and after that you press create a quiz. Select it right away, then type the fourth question here. What is the capital of Australia? Here you can type Canberra, sorry. Then you can type Beijing, something like that. Then after that you can give Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. Then you can give New Jersey. Okay, I have typed all the four options. Then let me select the right option, Canberra. Then once you are done, then you can select this button, create button. Click on it. It has created, and it has fetched other options like move left to previous. This is third question. This one fourth question. We have got other options: add explanation, replace question, delete question, back to quiz. I'm going to select back to quiz. Select it. Then you have got here last option, quiz stats. You just press on it. So this stats is showing some information like top results in the quiz GK. 4 questions total, 10 seconds per question. 2 people took the quiz, their names also, in how many seconds they have finished. So myself and other person. So like this way you can also see the students list who have attempted and in how many seconds they have attempted, and their score, like this. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe to this channel for more